Good morning, everybody. This is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity, and I forgot to buckle my helmet before I have to go to the post office again this morning. I don't think I'll be going to the post office very often. I do have a face mask on under my mask this time, so that I can... I'm going to go ahead and skip by right here. Today is the first ride without a muffler, just a straight header. And I'm telling you right now, I can barely hear myself talk to you guys. So, I don't think this is going to be a permanent option like this, but I did want to talk and think, how could I make this loud, but like not this loud? I don't think there's a lot of room to put a muffler with this header over here. I mean, I had to extend it a little bit just to get it to fit. So, it's going to take some effort. We'll take a look at it in a little bit. And then maybe we can get an idea of how much... what kind of ideas we got when it comes to putting a header on this thing. Anyways, I want to park right here. So, I'm also having this problem where my slide carb cable keeps coming out. I guess I need more slack on the slide carb cable, but I don't think it's supposed to come out of the top like that. I used to have a piece of tape there, but it's not there anymore. But look, here's the clearance problem. See, there's the top of the header, and then there's the tire, and then there's the thing. So, like, exactly how do I put it on there without actually hitting something? Anyways, let's go ahead and get this awesome package out of the backpack. Here it is. Ta-da! It is the waffle winner for the left side controls. These controls right here. Whew. It's also making it... Oh, shoot. My mask. My face shield just came off. That sucks. It literally just separated. I guess the difference is the post office isn't open today. Or it isn't open yet. Versus the last time I was here, it was open. And there was a whole bunch of it. Now, I gotta fix my helmet without actually being able to see it. I guess I could use... Alright, I'm gonna have to take it off. I can't run around with a separated helmet piece. Hold on. Alright, it's back on again. But you know what I'm talking about if you have a helmet. The little latch on the bracket side came off, so I had to fix it. Sweet. Super sweet. Now I'm gonna look for breakfast, just like I did last time. I guess today is riding around without a header for the first time. First time without a header. I hope you guys are kind of getting the idea of how loud it is. I know that the mic is in my helmet, and with the mic being in my helmet, it kind of muffles out, kind of like when we were doing the horn honking thing. But it's like, it's Sounds like a car with dump-off pipes, kind of. Anyway, so I'm still working on a solution for that. I keep saying that over and over again, but it's because my mind is currently thinking about how I can make it different. I kind of want one of those stinger pipe things. I know that, what's his name has one? Small bore 2 wheels, where it kind of sticks up as a little stinger pipe thingy. Kind of want to do that, but I don't know if I can do that. And then, what else? Oh, then there's that piece that you can get from, I think it's Man in the Box, that you can put on the end of it that looks like, I don't know. I'll put a picture of it here if I can find it. I know they have a builder kit, but I don't like the way the other one looks, just like a funnel, a screw down funnel thing, and that doesn't look very cool to me. Oh man, McDonald's got a really long line. And I don't think you can go inside. Anyways, we're gonna go to McDonald's today, and then we're gonna be like, hey, what's better, McDonald's or Whataburger? Because today it looks like one of them's gonna be faster than the other, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be Whataburger was faster, because yesterday was pretty quick. So, what should I get this morning, guys? A large soft drink for $1. Better breakfast any way you crack it. Oh yeah, I love the Egg McMuffin. Sausage Egg McMuffin. I don't know. We'll see when we get to the front. But listen to that sound. It almost sounds like I have no exhaust. I don't know if you've ever had no exhaust before on any bike, including the Ruckus GY6. It sounds like bubbles, like it just sounds a little less bubbly. Can I get a number 6 with an orange juice?
Okay, a number 6 with an orange juice. What size?
Large.
Okay.
Wait, but is that orange juice come in a bottle still if it's large?
No, it comes. The orange juice we only serve it from the machine.
Oh.
Do you still want the orange juice?
No. Do you have anything that comes in a bottle?
Only the bottle of water, and then the apple juice, chocolate milk, white milk. Those are the only things that come in a bottle.
Apple juice.
Okay.
And then a number 5 also with apple juice.
Okay, so I have a number 6 with apple juice and a number 5 with apple juice. Can I get you anything else?
No, that should be it.
Alright, 1167. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyways, there you go. Came in a bottle. I guess I should have went to Whataburger, because Whataburger has orange juice and it comes in a bottle. I'm not really feeling the McGriddle, but you know, yesterday I ate breakfast and I got a headache, so anyways, just a reminder also, the 25th we're doing the group ride over in Galveston, sponsored by Ruck City. Northwest Houston Mini Motos should probably be there, I hope. I hope I didn't tilt my camera too much down there. And then, what else we got going on? That's it. I'm gonna keep working on this exhaust problem. No, I guess it's not a problem. It's a series. So this is like the second video of the series, technically, where we ride around without a header. And this is the reason why you ride around with a muffler. Because a dump-off header pipe is way too My GTI doesn't have a muffler. It has a split exhaust in the back, and it has no muffler. So it's not obnoxiously loud, but it is loud. Look, Ruckus Hub, Ruck Life. And people are looking at it like, what the heck is a ruck? Hey kid, what's a ruck? Are you trying to say a bad word? Because if you're trying to say a bad word, I don't want you to say that. I'll be really upset with you. The McGriddle, the 2 McGriddles, 1 bacon, 1 sausage. Yes. I don't need a receipt. Thank you. Anyways, I keep saying anyways. I like those crepe myrtles. They're very big, and they've been pruned properly to be bushy like the way they are, but yet nothing across the bottom, and they're not letting it grow funny. And what is that, a magnolia? With no flowers, obviously. It's not magnolia flower season. Because I am a botanist, damn it! I know everything about plants. Sorry, I've been doing like really heavy country accents lately, and I'm probably offending some people from the South, even though I am in the South, and technically I am a Southerner. I'm an adopted Southerner. I was born in Detroit, Michigan, or Southfield, Michigan, near Detroit, and I am been here since I was 5, so that makes me here for 41 years or so, almost 42. So I still haven't followed the drink problem, especially 2 drinks. I would have got orange juice if I could get out of the machine, but there's no way I was going to fit it in here. Probably making a lot of noise, and people are probably like, you're so loud on that thing. It's so loud. Can you guys make it quieter? Thank you. So I got it in the backpack. Put it on my back. Pull up. Right here. Buckle the backpack while they get their food behind me because I am kinda uncourteous. Oh look, we can see ourselves. Is that what we look like on this thing? We look so silly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's a note. I just took off really hard on that corner, and I just literally spun the tires sideways and had to save myself on my foot. That is the first time I've ever had that happen on Ruckus. A powerful Ruckus. I have caused a powerful... Speaking of Ruckus, I was on the neighborhood app, and I went and drove past protesters and said the word, what is causing ruckus? And these people lost their minds. I think I talked about it already in a video. Well, now I know what a ruckus means. It means a power slide coming out of a McDonald's, excuse me, after a quick ride around the corner. I'm not even sure if this is going to turn into a video because I feel like I've just been babbling about nothing. I'm going to make this Saturday's video. Sunday's video. I don't know. We'll see. All I know is I need to fix that throttle cable. It keeps coming out. I think it's better now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. This guy is classically trained in classic video games. He has Pac-Man and The Ghost. And Flynn's Arcade, if you're wondering, is from Tron. on an Outlander V6, and I'm not going to run the light because I'm not a bad guy. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have just been babbling this morning, so if you guys really are at this point, then you really must like watching my videos, because that was just a bunch of poop. Now, when I did turn, I did slide. I have never slid. I've never power slid. I've never spun my tires in a turn. So, that was pretty cool. Anyways, thank you, and I will see everybody in the next video. Doo -doo -doo -doo.